In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bullet journal in Notion. We're going to set up a simple, clean system that helps you stay organized without making things feel complicated. Notion is great for bullet journaling because it gives you the flexibility of a digital notebook while also letting you structure everything in a way that makes sense for your daily life. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page for your bullet journal. This will be your main hub, so give it a clear title that you'll recognize right away. Think of this page as the home base for everything you want to track, plan, and remember. Once your page is ready, begin adding the main sections of your journal. Create areas for daily notes, weekly plans, monthly goals, and collections. These sections help separate your thoughts and make the journal easier to use over time. Daily notes are useful for quick entries and everyday planning. Weekly plans give you a broader view of what's coming up. Monthly goals help you stay focused on bigger priorities. Collections can be used for anything you want to keep together, like ideas, lists, or reference notes. Next, create a simple daily log where you can write tasks, reminders, and notes. Keep this part easy to update so it becomes something you actually want to use every day. A daily log works best when it feels quick and practical, not overwhelming. You want a space where you can capture what needs to get done, what you don't want to forget, and anything important that comes up during the day. For your tasks, add checkboxes so you can mark things complete as you go. This makes your journal more functional and also gives you a clear visual sense of progress. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference when you're managing multiple responsibilities. To keep your entries organized, use headings to separate your days or weeks. This creates structure and makes it much easier to scroll through your journal later and find what you need. Clear headings also help your page look cleaner and less cluttered. If you want to organize entries by date in a more visual way, add a calendar or database. This is especially helpful if you like seeing your plans laid out over time or want an easy way to sort and review past entries. Finally, update your bullet journal every day to keep everything organized. Consistency is what makes the system useful. Even a few minutes each day can help you stay on top of tasks, reflect on what's happening, and keep your planning all in one place.